Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Every season brings a bunch of fresh produce with it. I enjoy taking advantage of what the season offers. There might be some vegetables or fruits that people are not too familiar with. Today, I'm showing you how to cut a favorite of mine, fennel bulb. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here you'll see how easy it is to prep a fennel bulb. First thing we'll do is to cut the stalks as close to the bulb as possible. See? Just like this. And we'll set them aside. Next, we'll cut the bulb in half and cut the core out of each. We'll see, it looks like a triangle. So we'll slice it along the sides, pull it out, and discard it. Now we can cut it in half and maybe half again and simply slice it crosswise or slice it lengthwise and use it as is or cut it again for a fine dice. For the stalks, we just have to remove any tough outer layers and slice them the way we want. When it comes to the fronds, keep these little guys. They are great for garnish.
As you saw in this video, this distinctive aromatic vegetable is very easy to handle and gives such a lovely flavor to your dishes. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!